In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, we highlight the soaring skies and daring dreams of girls in aviation. Romarda Lyons reports.
Young women in aviation, soaring to heights they believe are well within their reach. 1 foot in already, they're extending a hand to their peers and motivating them along the way.
Just do your best and don't let anybody try and stop you from doing what you want to do, especially in a field that is dominated by males.
You can do it. Anything man can do, we can do it better.
Even at the classroom level, there's no intimidation.
Having boys in the classroom as like a male-dominated space, it's also not intimidating for some reason. Like it's just not, it's normal. So, and I'm coming from an all-girls school, so you'd expect it to be, but it's quite fine.
The girls were part of the 2024 Jamaica College Aviation Summer Program. But how did they get there? For Lashante King, it was a movie that called action on her dream.
The movie that really inspired me was Top Gun Maverick. It is really a military movie in the US that deals with Navy, SEALs and stuff.
And so, she traveled from Mandeville just to get a taste of the real thing.
At first I wanted to work in the Navy, but I realized that wasn't really what I wanted to do, so I want to become a pilot now.
Rihanna Baxter's initial love was real estate, but her interest took flight and ended up on the runway.
This is all nice, this is all great, and I'm happy I got the opportunity to experience this, especially with people who are in the same field as me. Looking at the plane, just like how it works, the mechanics and everything, it is amazing. Like it's wonderful. Like just knowing everything about it is amazing.
It's a similar story for Loxia Williams, who learned about the program through church, but that's not why she calls it a blessing.
I always wanted to be a pilot or a captain, but I mostly gravitated to aviation because it seemed fun and exciting.
In the air, she tried to remain composed, but one could argue that beginners' nerves were on autopilot.
When I was actually flying in the cockpit, I was very scared.
The girls, who were just interested in aviation, are now sure that it's the ultimate career path for them.
It was really exciting to be in the cockpit and to be in control of the plane and to see the sky and stuff.
It was my first time flying. I've never been in a plane or ever been near a plane, but it was a great experience.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Romarda Lyons.